Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we are learning how to refresh your song list on your mp3 player. Okay, for example, I am opening Power Audio Pro, and this is one of the cheapest audio player you can buy from Google Play Store. After that, you can simply open any folders or any songs list. Okay, then you can simply tap on that three button. Then you can see option of refresh. Simply do that, then it will be automatically refresh new songs you are just download to your phones. So in this way you can simply update your library on your music applications. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone or PC or Mac tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.